Welcome to the 5-Minute Finance Drill by Investment.MOV, the first edition of the blog for smallmoneybigdreams.com. The purpose of this blog is to help people get into the groove of investing. I want to give you a quick introduction of who I am. My name is Investment.MOV. I'm an accountant by trade, but I have a passion in finances. My educational background is I have a bachelor's degree in finance and management information systems and a master's degree in financial economics. But like I said earlier, by trade I work as an accountant. And I decided to start this blog because, I wanted to help people start investing, start thinking about investing. And a lot of investment, advertisements or investment firms and stuff geared towards, people, who have high disposable income, high investment amounts that they can allocate. And that's because, the commissions come when you can invest big amounts. But I don't want the little people out there, the average Joes like myself who don't have a lot of money to not get involved in investing because they feel they need a lot of money. So the first blog is called the $20 Investment Plan. And I decided to do this first blog because I was with my family and they always ask me about investment questions and stuff. And they always say, well, I got to wait till I have a certain amount of dollars before I can invest because I know you need a certain amount of money to invest. And then I told them, no, you can start investing for $20. And they looked at me like I had three heads. And I was like, no, you can. And it's basically like this, due to the nature of now having online investment accounts, online investment banks, you can now start up accounts with zero money down and start investing with as little as $20. And the more popular companies are Fidelity, E-Trade, Ameritrade. I always forget who else. Basically there's a couple other ones. I'm Charles Schwab, but the two I recommend because they're free, they have no minimum down payment is sharebuilder.com and Zecco, ZECCO.com. You can open accounts with both of these banks, investment banks, and then start trading. I recommend ShareBuilder because ShareBuilder is a little more simplistic. For the record, I have no financial interest in none of the firms that I mentioned or the stocks that I mentioned. This is typically educational purposes. Well, open up an account with sharebuilder.com. There's no minimum. And matter of fact, if you act before April 30th, you can even, if you invest and make a trade, they'll give you $50 free. So if you didn't have any incentive to join ShareBuilder or start investing, that's an incentive in itself. And anyway, you put $20 in your investment account, and then before, back in the days, you used to have to go to brokers and they would charge you fees, and most of their fees would eat up most of your investment money. But with the online accounts, you can trade for $10 a transaction. Some even have $7 or $8 in transaction, but those accounts usually require you to put $500 to $1,000 down, and that would contradict my $20 investment strategy. So put your $20 in sharebuilder.com and start doing research, and you'll be surprised that some well-known companies' shares right now are below $5. For instance, for example, Sprint is currently trading at between $4 and $4.10. So for $20, you could buy 2 shares of Sprint, pay your transaction fee, and still wind up under $20. I know you're thinking, wow, 2 shares of Sprint is not going to make you rich, but you know what? You start to build your portfolio. You start working on building a portfolio, getting diversification going, and you know what? Even with $20 a month, if you find other stocks that have low share prices but good values, you can start building a portfolio, and before you know it, you have 24, 25 shares of stock just by investing $20 a month. So this is the end of the first blog, the 5-Minute Finance Drill on smallmoneybigdreams.com. And I hope I've inspired some people to start investing. I'm going to continue to do these blogs and give you information that you can use so you can start building toward your big dreams. And remember, every little bit counts, and information is the most valuable resource we have. So see you guys on the top. Thanks for tuning in to smallmoneybigdreams.com. Take care.